Hello, my name is Noel Novello. I am part of the faculty of the School of Aquaculture and Aquatic Sciences at Kentucky State University. It's my pleasure to introduce to you a special project that combines genetic improvement of Nile tilapia, on-farm growth demonstration in Kentucky, development of marketing and sales strategies, and human nutrition resources. This video series is intended to expand our awareness and our ability to make healthier food choices using locally produced products. In this video, Angela Caparelli from the Kentucky Department of Agriculture will be talking to us about how to select a fish and give us more information on fish processing from KDA's point of view.
Hi, my name is Angela Caparelli. I work with the Kentucky Department of Agriculture. I am the aquaculture specialist and marketing coordinator for KDA. What I do with Kentucky State University, and especially the aquaculture program, is a lot of the food safety, HACCP, which is Hazard Analysis Critical Control Point, plans for any of the food processing that might be done in the Aquaculture Research Center Food Safety Lab. So what I'm going to do today is show you what to look for in a good, healthy fish when you're purchasing either fresh fish or fish from your fish supplier. And our whole goal is to make sure that safe and high quality product reaches our consumers. We found through years of research that once this consumer gets a not high quality, we don't even want to know if it's unsafe, but a high quality product, then they will not repeat their purchasing. And that's what our goal is to repeat purchasing. So as we have today, this fish was just harvested. It was what we consider chill killed. So it was put in an ice slurry bath for a good 10 to 15 minutes. That is the recommended humane way to take a fish from live to ready for slaughter. Without feeling any pain. So we do that with all the species we raise here. So as you can see, this is a really nice, healthy fish. And how I know that is, there's a couple of keys that you can look at when you're purchasing a fish. We want to see that the eye is really kind of has a bubble on it. Once that eye starts turning a little opaque, this one's nice, bright, shiny, it's full. Once that eye starts turning a little darker, a little opaque, and starts drying out or sinking in, you know that fish is not a fresh fish. Another way is to look at its gill rakers. Its gills are nice and pink. That means it's a healthy fish. It's a fresh killed fish. They're not slimy or gray. That would be a sign of a not fresh fish. The other part is to take your finger or a knife and run it with the scales. Okay, if you run a knife or even your finger, this has a nice layer of slime on it, the scales will come loose or detach from the body of the fish. That is a sign that that fish has been sitting there for days and it's not the best, healthiest fish. Again, this fish is a beautiful species. The eyes nice and full, shiny, crisp. The gills are nice and red and not grayish or slimy. And also all the scales are in really good tact and attached to the body of the fish. Those are the three basic signs to know that what you're getting is a nice, fresh fish. There's no smell. I know we don't have smell-o-vision, but there is no smell. If you walk into a fish market and you smell a fishy smell, you know the fish there are not fresh, and therefore turn around, walk out, find a new fishmonger. A key to that as a fish producer or processor is when you clean your facility, use a bleach or quaternary ammonia cleaner, not an ammonia base, because ammonia is what the fish exude when it's rotting. So you don't want to add to that smell or misrepresent the cleanliness of your facility by using an ammonia-based cleaner versus a chlorine-based cleaner, because you don't want that smell, even though it's fresh fish. So that's just a key to some of the cleaning things and some of the freshness that we have for this fish. Another one is if you push on the skin, does it bounce right back? If it stays indented, again, another sign that that flesh of the fish is starting to dry out and it's not the freshest product. So there you have it. Bon appetit.